What does Model.Eval do in Pytorch? When should I use .eval? I understand it is supposed to allow me to evaluate my model. How do I turn it back off for training? Example training code using .eval.
Model.Eval is a kind of switch for some specific layers, parts of the model that behave differently during training and inference, evaluating time. For example, dropouts layers, batch norm layers, etc. You need to turn them off during model evaluation, and .eval will do it for you. In addition, the common practice for evaluating validation is using torch.no_grad in pair with Model.Eval to turn off gradients computation. But don't forget to turn back to training mode after eval step.
You can turn off evaluation mode by running model.train. You should use it when running your model as an inference engine, i.e. when testing, validating, and predicting, though practically it will make no difference if your model does not include any of the differently behaving layers, e.g. batch norm, instance norm. This includes submodules of RNN modules, etc.
Model.eval is a method of torch.nn.module. Eval sets the module in evaluation mode. This has any effect only on certain modules. See documentations of particular modules for details of their behaviors in training/evaluation mode. If they are affected, e.g. dropout, batch norm, etc., this is equivalent with self.train, false. The opposite method is model.train, explained nicely by Umang Gupta.
An extra addition to the above answers. I recently started working with Pytorch Lightning, which wraps much of the boilerplate in the training validation testing pipelines. Among other things, it makes Model.Eval and Model.train near redundant by allowing the train_step and validation_step callbacks, which wrap the eval and train so you never forget to.